Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start with Python for Data Science series. Today we are going to start module 3, which is Python Programming Fundamentals, and today's lecture is based on lab conditions and branching. So when you enter the lab, it will say start lab, and when you start the lab, it will open a virtual lab for you. Let's start it. Conditions in Python. Today we will learn about the conditions, comparison operators, branching, logical operator, and a quiz. So comparison statements or operators in Python is equal. So if you want to say or test equal, this is double equal. Comparison operators compare some values or operand, and based on condition they produce a boolean. What is that boolean? Either true or false. Let's say 5 is greater than 3, so boolean is yes, true, or 3 is greater than 5, boolean will be false. When comparing two values, you can use these operators. Equal means comparison, not equals this symbol, then greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to, less than and equal to. So we have like a is equals to 1, so we have given a value a equals to 5, so a is assigned a value of 5. If we compare a equals 6, so it means that we are comparing either a is equal to 6 or not, so the result is false. Now if we say I is equals to 6, and if we say I is greater than 5, obviously I is greater than 5, so the result will be true. Okay, so if we say I is equals to 2, and if we say I is greater than 2, greater than 5, so the result is false. So let's display some values of I in the figure. Set the values greater than 5 green and rest in red. So from 1 to 3 up to 5 we have set it to red, and 6, 7, 8 to be green. The green region represents the true, the red region represents the false. So all these values represents false, and all these values represents true. If the value I equals to 2, we get false. Whenever I will be 2, we get it lies in the false region, so we will get false. And if I is equals to 6, it lies in the true region, and we will get true. So again, in equality sign, I equals to 2 and I is not equals to 6, which is true, and I is equals to 6 and I is not equals to 6, which is false. So see the number lines below this number line. You see the green numbers, we set it equals to true, and the red we set it equals to 5. So if I will get the value of 2, now this will give me a boolean of true, and if I is equals to 6, it will give me a boolean of false. So again, we can apply the same methods on strings. For example, use equality operator on two different strings. As the strings are not equal, we will get false. For example, a string ACDC equal Michael Jackson, so this is basically a comparison. Either these two strings are equal, so clearly they are not equal, and we will get false. Let's suppose I say I will create another block here. From there plus I will say Python equals Python. So let's run it. It says true. Yes, it's true. Now let me simply change it. Python capital P with the capital P. False. They are not equal. It means that the Python is case sensitive. So again, use an equality sign to compare the strings. For example, ACDC is not equal to Michael Jackson. Yes, it's true. Not equal to Michael Jackson. Or I will say this Python with small p is not equals to the capital, so it will say true. Yes, they are not equal. So again, there is a comparison of the characters B. Character B is greater than character A. So how they are compared? Why they are saying that A is greater, B is greater than A? How we say that? Inequality operation is also used to compare the letters, words, symbols according to ASCII value of letters. The decimal value shown in the following table represents the order of the character. For example, ASCII code for not equal is 2, while ASCII code for plus is 43. The plus is greater than not equal as 43 is greater than 21. Similarly, the value of A in the ASCII code assigned by the Computer Society is 101, and for B is 102. Clearly 102, which is B, is greater than A, which is 101. So this is true. When there are multiple letters, the first letter take the precedence. So like we have multiple letters here, BA, which is greater than AB, so the first letter will take the precedence. B, which is 102, as mentioned here, is greater than A, which is 101, so this is true. Branching. Now we will start the branching in the second series of this today's lecture.